Yo, hello everyone. Today, very short video, but it is super important as a member of the community recently pointed out. So thank you, Jose. I think I pronounced the name correctly, but let me know if I did. When you are in JupiterLab, there is a little problem with the checkpoint. So here we are in JupiterLab. Let's go into ComfyUI folder, into models. And here, of course, you have the checkpoints and all the other things. So let's say that I want to open diffusion models. For example, I double click and I'm in the folder of diffusion models. Same thing for the LoRa's, for example. I open up the LoRa's and here I have all my LoRa's. But if I double click on checkpoint, nothing happens. And this can be a problem, of course, because what if I want to download a checkpoint and with the wget method, for example, I need to access this folder? Or what if I have 4 checkpoints and I want to delete one because I don't use it and it is a 10 gigabytes checkpoint, so I want to open up some space. I mean, if I can't access this folder, I can do all these things, so of course it is a problem. But the solution is simple, so follow me in this one. If you don't get to open the checkpoints, and I think it is a bug of RunPod and JupiterLab that you can open all the other folders but not the checkpoints, the solution is simple. So we open up a new terminal, and as you can see, we are in the models folder, so ComfyUI models. Now, if we want to access the checkpoints, we type cd checkpoints, we press enter, and now we are inside the checkpoints. So let's say that we want to download a checkpoint with the wget method. We go wget, we paste the link of our checkpoint, and we enter, and we download the checkpoint. So this is how you enter the folder. That is basically the same thing at doing the double click. So I let you see. If I go into terminal and I go cd LoRa's, for example, and I press enter, now I'm inside my LoRa's folder. So again, cd checkpoints, I will type all those comments in the description of this post so that you can copy and paste it, but with cd checkpoints you get into the checkpoint folder. Now what if I just want to know what it is inside and maybe delete something? I can go into terminal, again, I let you see one more time, we are into models, this time we go with ls checkpoints. And as you can see, now I can see what's inside my checkpoints folder. So I have got the Super, I've got a Juggernaut XL, I got a realistic vision, and my test checkpoints, okay? So, what now? We go cd checkpoints, and this time I missed the S, so cd checkpoints, so make sure to type the word checkpoints correctly. Perfect, now I'm inside the checkpoints. Let's say that I want to remove something because maybe I downloaded the wrong one, or maybe, as I told you before, you have downloaded one but you don't use it anymore, and it's just a waste of space. So let's say this test checkpoint.saveTensor. I go with rm, so rm, that is for remove, I copy, and I enter. Now, if I want to check if this one is present, I go ls checkpoints, and this time, because I'm already in the folder, so let's go back a bit, models, ls checkpoints, and as you can see, I don't have any more. So before I have all of these, and the last one was test checkpoint.saveTensors. Now I remove it with the rm command, and so now I don't have it anymore. So basically you have to learn 3 commands or save the post and use it when you need it. The first one is the cd checkpoint to access your folder. The second one is the ls checkpoints to see what's inside your folder. And the third one is rm and the name that you want to remove, the name of the file that you want to remove, so rm in this case test checkpoint.savetensor, to remove something from the folder. Every single other folder, you just double click and you see what's inside. So let's say I want to go into LoRa's, I see what's inside. If I want to delete something, so let's say that I want to delete this file, I can just right click and delete and confirm that I want to delete this file, and the file is gone. But for some reason, with the checkpoint, it's not so straightforward. So with these 3 commands, you can operate inside the checkpoint folder. So thank you again for pointing it out. I let you every single command in the description of the post. Let me know if the problem is solved, and of course, if you have any other questions, just let me know and I'll do my best to cover it. In the meantime, I wish you a great day, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!